Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create your very own comic strip using draw.io. Yes, that is right. The same tool you might use for flowcharts can also be used for projects that are a little bit more fun and creative. Let's go ahead and start a blank diagram and get busy. All right, first we're going to start with dragging in a big rectangle. This will act as the main frame or the background of our comic strip. A good thing we can also do here at this step is create a container shape. This way your rectangle will automatically be grouped with any objects that you drag inside it. To do this, select your rectangle, go to Arrange, then go to Group. This will automatically give you a collapse expand option in the top corner of your shape. For this project, we won't need that, so we can go ahead and turn that off. This container shape will be very useful in our next step when we drag in our individual frames of our comic. Now I'll add in smaller rectangles for the story panels. Think of these as the individual frames of your comic. And as you can see, my container shape can be moved anywhere on the diagram, and the smaller rectangles move with it as well. At this point, I've added color to my background and story panels, so now we can add our characters. I've imported these funny faces to my scratch pads, so whenever I'm ready, I can drag them right into my diagram. Before I drag my faces into the diagram, I'll use the freehand brush tool to add a little bit of texture to my story panels. One last thing we can do before adding our characters is to make a separate layer for our characters. Now I can drag in my characters, and to make them face each other, I use the horizontal flip tool on one of my faces. Once all my characters are in place, I'll select each one and add the shadow feature. This right here is a total game changer, and it literally makes your characters jump off the page. And of course, no comic is complete without the dialogue, so next we'll add the dialogue boxes. With these, it's a simple drag and drop. You can resize it, type in your text, and even flip them if necessary. On mine here, I'll add a knock knock joke. Knock knock, who's there? Alpaca. I'll pack a suitcase, you load the car. Let me know in the comments how funny you found that joke, because I thought it was hilarious. Also, a neat trick, if you're sharing your comic with your friends, classmates, or colleagues, you can use the brush tool again to apply feedback like little doodles, arrows, or even sticky notes. And that is it. We have just built a fun, awesome comic strip, all inside our favorite diagramming tool, draw.io. Although the project we did today was a fairly small comic strip, you can even go bigger by creating a whole comic page or a whole comic book, and our multi-page feature will definitely help you out with that. This format can also be used for filmmakers when making storyboards for their movies. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what your comic strip would be about and your favorite knock knock joke. Thanks for watching. Happy diagramming.